I'd like you to meet one of the dumbest men alive, Cory Harris. Right, because Cory just did the dumbest thing you could do on Zoom that hasn't already been done by Jeffrey Toobin, and that he videoed into a court hearing in Washtenaw County, Michigan, while clearly driving his car.
Mr. Harris, are you driving?
Actually, I'm pulling into my doctor's office, actually. So just give me 1 second. I'm parking right now.
Right, and so at first, the judge understandably appears to be a little frustrated.
You stationary?
I'm pulling in right now at this second. Yes, I am.
You know, after a few seconds, it almost seems like he can't help but be entertained by this guy's confidence. But then he starts looking down at his papers, and you see the confusion start to set in. Because the bad news for Cory is that it's not just that he's on his phone while driving. It's a whole legal thing. This is a bad move. Turns out the whole reason that Cory has to be in court at all is for driving on a suspended license. And so as this is happening, Harris's lawyer is asking for the hearing to be adjourned and picked back up in a few weeks, but the judge has already caught on.
Okay. So maybe I don't understand something. This is a driving while license suspended?
That is correct, Your Honor.
And he was just driving. And he didn't have a license.
And so the judge confirms with the lawyer that this is really happening. And then there is this long silence with Harris's face just frozen in an expression likely to be immortalized in some sort of meme. And ultimately, after a few moments, the judge making this decision.
I don't even know why he would do that. So defendant's bond is revoked in this matter. Defendant is to turn himself into the Washtenaw County Jail by 6 p.m. today. Failure to turn himself in will result in a bench warrant with no bond. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Harris, I'll be giving you a call.
And y'all, I think of myself as someone that's forgetful. But zooming into a court hearing about you driving on a suspended license while you are actively driving on a suspended license is the fucking most insane thing I've ever heard. Cory, how are you still alive? We don't need to send Cory to jail. He needs to be in a room monitored by scientists. This level of stupid needs to be studied, right? And as you probably expect, the internet has been completely ruthless about this man. People finding it hilarious, unbelievable, all the emotions you're having, people are having. But also beyond this viral moment, there is the open question of, well, what are the consequences actually going to be? Right? I mean, his defense attorney, for example, told reporters that she strives to live in a world where people are not jailed for nonviolent offenses. Right now, it is unclear what consequences exactly Harris is facing or whether that would include any jail time. Though in Michigan, for example, the law does say that even for a first-time offense for driving with a suspended license, that can carry a jail sentence of up to 93 days. And then, I mean, for repeat offenders, the jail time can increase up to a year. But yeah, I would love to know your thoughts with this one, whether it be about the jail time or just our guy Cory.